How to deposit and withdraw crypto on your Trust Wallet. I'll show you exactly how to send and receive using blockchains first. If you're looking to transfer between your bank and Trust Wallet, I'll show you how to do that throughout the latter half of this video. We'll get to depositing crypto first. When depositing, we need to add the asset that we want to receive first within our Trust Wallet, and then we can get the deposit address. So in the top right-hand corner of the app, click the plus button, and then you'll see a list of assets that you can receive. So simply search for the asset that you want to actually hold and get the address for. So if we search BTC, you should see that the main asset is always at the top, but there may be many different versions of it that you may have addresses for as well. You just have to make sure that whatever asset that you want, it is on the chain that you want to receive it on. So at the top, you can see BTC, and then underneath in gray, it says Bitcoin. That means Bitcoin blockchain. So if you're looking to hold it on the Bitcoin blockchain, that's what you want. Now, as an example here, we can type in USDT, which is a stablecoin, which is issued on basically every chain that it can be issued on. So which one should you use? Well, the one that you should use is the chain that you want to use and hold it on. So if you want to use DeFi on that chain, or you want to use applications on that chain, you need the asset on that chain. So I can add USDT on Polygon, on Arbitrum, on BNB Smart Chain, and then go back. And I've added those to my list of assets, as you can see down here. So which chain do you want the asset on? That's the one that you need the receive address for. So let's have an example here of US dollar Tether on the BNB Smart Chain. I can click into here, and then I can press receive, and I get the receive address, and I can use many different methods to copy that into the place that I'm sending it from. So if we go back, we can also see for BNB or other assets, if you click that, you can press receive and you get the address here. The addresses on different blockchains may be different, and so you have to be super sure that you want to receive that asset on the chain that you actually want it on. Click that asset, then click receive and get the address details for that chain. Once we have the address details, we can then send that asset in from wherever else that we have it. So we're going to go receive. And then I'm going to actually press copy here, and then I can copy that somewhere else. So let's go over to my Binance account, assuming you might be using Binance or other exchanges if you're using Trust Wallet, but you need to send the assets from somewhere. So we're going to go to BTC right here, and we're going to press withdraw down in the left, and then we're going to press send via crypto network. We're using a crypto network here to send the coins from a centralized exchange over to our decentralized wallet, send crypto network. Then press the address in here. So I'm just going to paste this in. And then it says network. Now you can see the network doesn't automatically show up because we may actually have many different addresses with this style. So when we click network, we have to choose the network that we want to use. We know that we're using the BNB Smart Chain for this because we're sending BNB over the BNB Smart Chain. So I'm going to click that. And then the withdrawal amount. So you can just put any amount in. Notice that we are using a blockchain here, so we will be paying a fee. Down in the very bottom, you can see the fee is 0.0005 BNB. There is a fee because we're using the blockchain. We have to pay that fee. You can press withdraw, and that is going straight to the deposit address, as you can see right here that we've copied from our Trust Wallet. We can reverse that process exactly when sending out of our Trust Wallet. There's just one thing to know, and that is whichever asset that the chain is on, you need to pay a gas fee when sending that coin. Every transaction on a blockchain requires a fee, and you need to pay the fee in the coin of that chain that you're on. So if you're on the Bitcoin blockchain, you'll be paying fees in Bitcoin. For Ethereum, that's ETH. For any other chain, it is the coin of that chain. So if we're going to send out some assets, you can't send it unless you pay for the gas with the underlying coin. So what we're going to do is just send BNB simply here. So I've got some BNB, and on the BNB Smart Chain, the coin is BNB. So I'm going to be paying in the same coin. I'm going to press send, and then obviously I need my address right here to paste in. So we can go back into our Binance account, and we'll just go out and then press receive or deposit. And then we can choose an asset. So I'm going to choose BNB and click that. That is the top coin, not wrapped BNB. Now, which network are we receiving it on? Well, I know that from my Trust Wallet, I'm sending it from BNB Smart Chain, so I must receive it on the same chain. You can't send and receive cross different chains. That's not going to work. So I know it's BNB Smart Chain at the top here. So I'm going to click this. This is my address. So I'm going to copy this, go back to my Trust Wallet, click this one in as a paste, allow paste, and then the amount that you want to send, you can just send that in. So if we go to next, what you can see here is that it's checking with you that you're sending it on the BNB chain. You need to make sure that you're receiving on that as well. You're sending it from this wallet, you're sending it to that address. You can check the details. You can see the network fee here. So remember, if you're sending any coin on this chain, you'll have to pay the network fee in BNB, which is the layer 1 coin for this chain. And then we can just press confirm and that's sent as long as we can afford the network fee. If you're looking to deposit and withdraw cash in and out of Trust Wallet, maybe buy crypto and then cash out back into your bank account or your card, then the only way to do this is through a third party, because Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet and it doesn't have any links to banks or anything like that. So the way that we can do this is simply by buying and selling crypto and then sending it into our wallet. Now the third party is your choice, and there's two methods here. The first one, if we just click on Bitcoin here, we can press buy. And what that's going to do is send us through to a third-party payment provider. If you click on this, you can see there are many that are available: Ramp, Transact, MoonPay. They're all fairly large. What you have to do is set up an account with those, do KYC with those, which is your ID, and have an account. And then you can simply use these to buy and sell crypto with a card, and they will take that cash from you, buy the crypto, and then send it into your Trust Wallet. So this is expensive. It's around 2 to 4% in fees for using this. So it's convenient, but it's very, very expensive. We can do that on the sell side as well. So we can press more, sell, and then you can put an amount of crypto in that you want to sell, and it says Ramp is the best. So you can sell an amount of crypto. You're selling it for cash with Ramp. They send the cash back into your card because you have an account with them. The other way to do this is to simply use a centralized exchange. So actually send the crypto into the exchange, which we just saw, trade, because what we can do is actually trade a crypto into a fiat currency, or at least you can on Binance. You can see there are fiat currencies here, for example, Euro, Pound, Turkish Lira. So you can actually trade the crypto for a fiat currency here, and then you can withdraw the fiat currency to your card or bank account if it's supported. Centralized exchanges are much cheaper. You'll be paying around 0.1% in trading fees instead of 4%. There may be some fees on the withdrawal if it's a card, but banks are usually very low cost. So if you're looking to get cash in and out of Trust Wallet, I would recommend centralized exchanges as being a lot cheaper. The third-party payment providers here may be convenient, but they are a lot more expensive. That's up to you which one you want to choose. I'll leave links below to Binance and other exchanges I use. You might be able to get deposit and trading bonuses on them as well. I'm James, it's MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.